Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll until we will find the wallpapers and style option. Let's tap. Now we have to tap on this wallpaper section. And here we've been transferred to the available options from which we can choose. Those are pre-installed here, so we've got live wallpapers, which are animated ones, static wallpapers. Here we can enter our own albums, so of course we can set our own photo as a wallpaper. And here we've got online wallpapers, which will be available if you will have the internet connection. So make sure that you've got one, that you're connected, and you can choose something from those options, which are also pretty a little bit abstract. Let me just maybe this one, as it is colorful. So all you have to do is to tap on the wallpaper you'd like to apply, so it will appear on the full screen. Just give it a second. And as you can see, here you can check whether you like it or not. Here you can also change the wallpaper, so you can easily check the preview. So all you have to do, if you're happy with your choice, is to tap to apply, and then you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Here we've got an additional feature, so the wallpaper colors, which can be applied to the system. So let me quickly show it to you. Simply tap on OK and tap on wallpaper colors, and then we can tap on custom or choose something from the preset options. But let me tap on custom. Got it. And as you can see, here we've got some dots, and now we can simply choose the color we want to use in our menu in our system. Let me choose something like a pink one, maybe something like that, and then tap on OK. And as you can see, those colors will be immediately applied to the system. This is how it will look like. You can see the preview of it. Now let me go back to the home page to check whether we've got our new wallpaper applied, and as you can see, it appears immediately on the home page and also on the lock screen if this is what you've chose. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.